Welcome to LaSalleOrg News with coverage of the 2024 Plenary Assembly of the Institute of the Brothers of the Christian Schools, together and by association. It's possible to build scenarios of network governance and cross-pollination. This is explained by Brother Ricky Laguda, General Counselor of the Brothers of the Christian Schools.
So we have been talking about One La Salle governance model, where the formal structures of authority and way of communicating has been explained since last year. So we have different councils, the three councils, we have different commissions, we have different offices. Then we have the regions as well as the districts, where the visitors are the symbol of authority. Now, we want to complement that One La Salle governance model with informal structures of networking. We hope that this kind of networking is very strategic so that we can cross-pollinate ideas and practices so that we can evolve into a better organization in adapting to the different realities that we face as an institute and the Lasallian family.
Truth and dialogue tables. Each day of the Plenary Assembly discerns the sensus fidei in search of consensus and with the Lasallian synodal methodology. How to promote coresponsability among Lasallians? What topics should be addressed for a network governance model? Some of the participants in the Plenary Assembly share their views.
Happy to be here at this plenary session. This morning we discussed the importance of network governance and what are the priorities. And in our group we reflected very much on the importance of formation, the sharing of human and financial resources, and reflecting on the impact that technology is having on education and on Lasallian pedagogy, and how we can continue to safeguard our charism in changing times. So a very exciting discussion on how to network through the commissions, through the councils, and through stronger relationships between the visitors, how we can sustain this mission into the future.
Para fomentar la corresponsabilidad entre los lasallistas, es importante que volteemos a ver otros lugares, otras realidades diferentes a los lugares en donde nosotros nos encontramos, para tener una visión más amplia, más global, que nos permita conocer otras realidades y en esa medida aprender a amarlas, descubrir todo lo que las personas nos pueden dar, sí identificar qué podemos ofrecer nosotros, pero también acercarnos a otras realidades sabiendo que de ellas también podemos aprender y podemos siempre recibir. Buscar una manera diferente de conceptualizar la misión a partir de trabajo en red, proyectos colaborativos, identificar los recursos que tenemos en las diferentes regiones, en los diferentes distritos y ponerlos en común, porque esta obra es de Dios, pero también es nuestra.
Mes impressions sont très bonnes. D'abord, de retrouver certains confrères et certains laïcs que j'ai eu à rencontrer il y a quelques années passées. Je suis dans le groupe 2, comme groupe de partage, composé de 7 personnes. Ce qui a vraiment retenu mon attention dans ce groupe, c'est le partage. Chacun de nous s'exprimait librement et le partage était très riche. Nous avons vraiment gagné en écoutant les autres, de savoir ce qui s'est passé ailleurs. Je remercie le bon Dieu pour cette plénière et je suis sûr qu'à la fin, tout ce que nous allons nous dire va vraiment contribuer à la bonne marche de la mission éducative lasallienne à travers le monde. Merci.
I think, in my opinion, the way to empower the new governance is that we all work together and we all follow the One La Salle campaign. So the One La Salle campaign that we've been talking about and we've been promoting about is how we are all one. We're one Lasallian family. All together we need to build bridges, we need to open communications. The people who are ready and to support and help, they need to get in touch with us and tell us we are here, we are offering our services. So we're encouraging you to support this and to implement the same model of governance in your own regions and districts. Thank you.
To learn more about the Plenary Assembly and what is happening in the Institute of the Brothers of the Christian Schools, visit LaSalleOrg and follow our social networks. See you soon!